10 must-have Amazon FBA tools. Amazon is a powerful platform that makes it easy for sellers to make money via their FBA platform. While this is true, it can never hurt to get a little extra help. Here are 10 tools that can help you sell even more to save money and to ultimately thrive as a business. Camel. This tool lets you know about price drops and tells you about product sales ranks. This is useful information you can use to react in real time. WooCommerce, a free WordPress plugin that lets you build your own e-commerce store. It also links nicely to Amazon, meaning you can promote your products from your own blog or website. Keepa. This tool works in a similar manner to Camel. The difference is that it lets you view product histories. Google Trends. Google Trends is a tool you can use in order to see what people are searching for at any time. That in turn means that you can see what's hot and what's rising in popularity. Useful for picking products. Google Analytics. If you do use an e-commerce store or otherwise promote your products through your own site, then Google Analytics can be useful not only to monitor and improve the ranking of your own site, but also to see which sources lead to people clicking on your products and buying. By setting up goals, you can view which search terms, pages, and more ultimately lead to sales. Short.cm. Short.cm is a link shortener, which is great for creating easily shareable links to your products. Autoresponder. There are lots of autoresponders out there, and we don't want to suggest that any one is better than the rest. However, by using any of these, you'll be able to collect emails and then send out promotional messages when new products are launched, during sales, and at any other point when you want to make a push. It's ideal for removing your reliance on sites like Facebook. Unicorn Smasher. A tool that gives you lots of powerful features like revenue estimates, data analysis, and more, all extremely useful data for sellers. Sonar Tool. This free FBA tool is useful for aggregating lots of product data into a single, useful database. It's great for the research stage of your business. FBA Calculate for Amazon. Finally, this tool lets you calculate the profit margin for any product after you have considered Amazon's fees and charges.